my channel. Today we are making a ninja star. For this you will need 2 pieces of paper that are squares. So, first of all, you fold both of the pieces of paper in half, like this, and unfold. So, like this, and unfold. So you get a crease in the middle. Then you fold these edges in to that crease, so it looks like a cupboard, like that. And do the same with the other sheet of paper. So both of them should look exactly the same. Then fold the pieces in half. Now leave one of the modules on the side. There. We will not need that yet. So, first, for this module, or the first module, fold this corner down like that. So this corner down like that. Then it should look like this. Turn it 180 degrees and do the same here. There. So now you fold this round and down there, like that. There. And turn it 180 degrees and do the same here. Like that. So you should reach this shape. There. Now you have made your first module. Leave it aside and pick up the other piece of paper you put aside earlier. So for this, fold this corner, not this corner, down like that. So it's like that. Then turn it 180 degrees and do the same here, like that. Then fold this there and this there, like that. So they should be exact mirror images of each other. There. Now you have made your 2 modules. So now we need to put them together. So, you put your first module down like that, with the crease going in the middle diagonally, and put your second module on top, like that, with 2 creases going perpendicular to these edges. So after you do that, actually you put the second module with the creases going perpendicular to the edges underneath, and put the one with the diagonal crease on top. Then fold this down like that, and then tuck it in like that. Turn it over and do the same here by folding it like that, like so, and tucking it in to the flap. It's gone a little bit lopsided. So yours should look like that. Then turn it around, do the same here by folding this down and tucking it in there. Then fold this down and tuck this in to there. So it should look like that. Now you have made your finished ninja star. I hope you like it. To throw it like a flying disc, like that, and spin it. The bigger you make it, the further it will fly. I hope you enjoyed making your ninja star, and I hope you will like flying it. Bye!